3, 2, 1, go!
All right, we are off in autonomous mode here in qualification match number 30. A lot of activity from Blue. Beast doing their normal routine. They go, grab a game Beast, score another one, and look to dock and engage. Meanwhile, over for Red, Argos doing a whole bunch, scores a second game Beast of their own. Both teams have a robot docked and engaged at the end of autonomous mode. 36-21 as we start teleoperators. 2 minutes and 5 seconds left in this match. A whole lot of high-speed action here in the midfield as two red robots corral game pieces out of the midfield, as does 2201 for the Blue Alliance. Argos pirouettes around their teammate, comes on over into the loading zone, pirouettes back, scores a cone, and will be back to do the same again. Meanwhile, Beast grabbing game pieces off the infield, scoring them at ease in the low zone of their team's grids. Traversing their charging station with ease, I wonder if their low center of gravity and low profile helps them do that. Meanwhile, back over for Red, Argos, a nice tall robot, continues to score cones and cubes on the high zone of their grids. They've got, count them, 1, 2, 3 game pieces scored in their cooperation grid. 2 game pieces, maybe a third right now for Beast, and they do. You know what that means, folks. Teams now need 4 links each to have an additional ranking point at the end of this match. 60 seconds left in this one. A whole bunch of high-speed action. 83-49. Boom! Big collisions in the middle of the field. Alliance Red is currently in the lead. It looks like scoring all those game pieces on that high zone is really helping them in this one. Meanwhile, back over for Blue, 4,500, knocks some game pieces into the mid zone, as does 77-47. Boom, big collision. 49-31, playing some heavy defense on 4,500, who makes their way into their substation. 706, boom, easy score, knock the game piece in. One fell out, they come back to pop it back in. 30 seconds left in this one. Argos 1756 making their way in. 706 already knowing what to do when they hear that bell ring, is docked and engaged on their driver station. Looks like 4931 got a little close to the blue stuff, maybe said hi and was a little too friendly to those blue robots. 10 seconds left in this one. 2 robots docked and engaged for Red. 2 robots attempting to do the same for Blue with 3 seconds left on the match. Can they do it? Oh, wow, they do! And look at how precariously 4,500 is sitting on that charging station. Score took this one. What happened? Score 111-104 Blue Alliance. Red Alliance still gets 1 ranking point because they did have more than 4 or 5 links in that one. So one of the big things in this one, folks,